Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can download the Zoom on your PC. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Google Chrome. So as you can see, the Google Chrome is open. Now what we need to do, we have to write the Zoom. So as you can see, the Zoom website is open. Now what we need so here are some options. So let's see about those options that how does they work. So as you can see, the first option is join. If you want to join any kind of a meeting, then you have to click on the join. And after clicking on the join, you have to provide the meeting details like an email or whatever you are using. And after that, let's go to the back. And after that, here's the option for the host. If you want to host a meeting, you can also do that. Here's the with video off or with video on, or if you want to share your screen, then you have to click on this. Here's the option for the my account. If you want to click on the my account, your account will be open. So you have to sign up for this. And after that, your account will be open. So as you can see, I have already signed in. Or if you want to use this option, you can also do that. But firstly, you have to log in here. So let's go to the back. So in this way, you can see here the website. If you want to use the Zoom on Google Chrome, you can also do that. You just have to log in your account here, and after that, you can easily join the meeting or host the meeting as well. So let's see that how we can download the Zoom. So this was about that how you can use the Zoom on Google Chrome, or if you want to use the app, you can also do that. So we have to download this. So let's go to the back. So for going to the back, we have to click on this option, and now as you can see, here's the option for the download. So we have to click on the download. So as you can see, here's the option Zoom desktop client phone meeting. If you want to download the app, then you have to click on the download. And after clicking on the download process will be started. So as you can see, the downloading is started. So we have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. So it's up to your internet speed. If your internet will be fast, then you will get the faster result. So let's wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, the Zoom is downloaded. Now what we need to do, we have to click on this, double clicking on this. We have to open the software. So we have to wait for a few seconds until it initializes. So wait. So as you can see, it's now done. The installation was successful. You are on the version, and this is the installation has completed. Now we have to click on the done. So simply what we need to do, we have to click on this. As you can see, the Zoom is installed. Now what we need to do, if you want to use or join the meeting, then you have to click on the join meeting. And now you have to provide the meeting ID or link here. And after that, you have to write the name here. Then simply you have to click on the join, and you will be able to join the meeting. So we are going to click on the cancel. And after that, if you want to sign up there, if you want to sign in, you can also do that. You have these all options. You can use any one from them. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can use the Zoom on Google Chrome and how you can download the Zoom app and install it on your PC and how you can use that app too. So see you guys in the next video.